I took an AI generated song, replaced the voice with mine, and then mixed it into a professional sounding track sung with my voice. This was the AI generated song.
She get the man with the whole heart tight, and I me be the source of her light. Oh, Hima, my beautiful Hima.
And this is what it sounds like after.
She get the man with the whole heart tight, and I me be the source of her light. Oh, Hima, my beautiful Hima. Oh, down one time, but she follow me go. Them say that you do, them say that logo. Gonna be all love, we make our spirit flow, make us I be the chosen.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I swapped the vocals to my own vocals and changed this song to sounding like this. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jay. I make music production tutorials on YouTube on mixing and mastering. Consider subscribing, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Come to Controlla website right here. I'll leave the link in the description. Go to swap voice right here. Once you're on this page, you can either drag your AI generated song and drop it here, or simply browse your files and just upload it right there. You're going to see it detects full mix. Now we need to pick a voice to replace this with. There's this section right here which is called instant clone. You can upload up to about 15 seconds of your voice or simply record right here, and this is something that you might want to try out, but it's not as accurate as making your own voice right here. So what we're going to do is click here, select a voice or instrument. They've got hundreds of voices that you can choose from. What I want to do is replace with my own voice. So I'm going to go to create voice right here. I can either upload clean vocals right here, but then in order to get good results, you might want to upload vocals with different types of registers. For example, where you've been singing on a high octave, on a lower octave, so that you're able to make a proper clone of your voice. If you can record, just record directly here on the platform. So when I click on this is my microphone coming from my focus, right? Obviously you have to sing in headphones so that you record only the voice without any other background noise. Just click on that. Great. So my room is set and ready. You need to record yourself at least 10 minutes of you singing, but this is not a problem because you can always sing your favorite song, some of the songs that you like. So they've got some songs right here. I think I want to sing just some other song. I can paste a link here from YouTube. My first song here, this is a song by Chris Brown. The reason I picked this song is because it will help me go high, low and stuff like that. Then later on I'll pick another song. Don't mind my singing, I'm just trying to make sure that I put in vocal in there. Just play a song right here and click record and start singing.
They say you can't find love in the club, but I wanna tell them they're wrong. So baby, try a new thing. I can't believe gave me all alone, baby girl, where's your lover?
Alright guys, so I almost lost my voice right there. Alright, so you see, you don't really need to be too perfect. Just try to exercise your higher notes, lower notes and stuff like that. I did like 5 minutes of recording and I still need about 4 minutes. And what I'm going to do is sing another song. Click here, paste another song. This time around, it's the video.
My money, nobody, now your own, no baby. 30 billion for the account, yo.
Oh my God.
Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. There's nothing above you, hey. Nothing above you, above you, above you. Oh, Bridget, yeah. I like your miniskirt, yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm done with the recording. I actually did about 11 minutes of recording. From here, all you have to do is simply go to review my vocals, create voice. I'll give it a name. I'll say TheMg, then I'll just go to create now. So it will take a little bit of time to create your voice. Click on use voice and let me just upload the AI song again. So this is the AI song with the AI voice.
Be the source of our light, oh Hima, my beautiful Hima. Oh down one time, but she follow me go.
If you come to advanced right here, accent preference, I think you can get a balance of both words. Let's try to have it somewhere right here, just like that. We save these settings. Of course, we've selected the vocal. Let's just go to swap voice. Alright guys, so it's doing its thing right here. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like with my voice. So the song is done. Let's just listen to what it sounds like.
The way she walks in the party, every man they turn neck, they look at body. Big politician, they offer Ferrari. Even pop star won't call her a shorty. She got the skin like chocolate butter. Make a grown man won't call him mother.
By the way, a big shout out to Controlla Voice for sponsoring today's video. If you guys might want to try out these features, I'll leave the link in the description. You can go and check it out.
Tonight, she get them out with the hold her tight, and I me be the source of her light. Oh, hey man, my beautiful, oh, hey man.
This voice sounds so much like my voice. Anyway, you heard me sing, guys. I want you to tell me if this voice doesn't sound like mine. So at this point, if you're not a producer, you don't do mixing and stuff like that, this song is done. You can actually get it exactly like this because it sounds great. Now it has your voice. But what I'm going to do is export these stems from here, take them into Cubase, just the vocal and the instrumental separately, and add a few final touches in there. So I'll click here. So we've got the instrumental. I'll simply download that. We've got the vocals too right here. So we're right here in Cubase, and what I'm going to do is get my files, vocals and the instrumental right here, drop them down there right here, drag the instrumental all the way to the beat channel right there, and I'll drag the vocal to the vocal channel right here. I think I should also drop in the actual AI song so that we listen to the difference. So I've got auto key on the beat, the tempo is 100 BPM and the key is A major, and I'll just send this to auto tune because we're going to add a little bit of auto tune to that vocal. So we've got A major right there.
Just to get a chance to be a lover, but she no look left, she no look right. Oh, when she tell them say she busy tonight, oh, she get them out with the hold her tight, and I me be the source of her light. Oh, hey man, my beautiful, oh, hey man. Oh, down one time, but she follow me go. Them say that juju, them say that logo. Burn up your love, we make our spirit flow.
By the way, I already have delay here and reverb. If you want to see this vocal chain, it's the vocal chain that I showed in the previous video, so you can go and check it out if you want to see. I just dropped the vocals in here and did a bit of balancing. So I'm going to add some backing vocals here just to spice it up a little bit.
See the way she walks in the party, every man they turn neck, they look at body. Big politician, they offer Ferrari. Even pop star won't call her a shorty. She got the skin like chocolate butter.
So I'll just add a bit of reverb on this one. I'll change the channel to stereo, then just go one knob. A quick reverb plugin that always gives me that reverb feeling that I need. Alright guys, so after my backing vocal, this is what now everything sounds like.
See the way she walks in the F, she no look right. She tell them say she busy tonight. She get them out with the hold her tight, and I me be the source of her light. Oh, hey man, my beautiful, oh, hey man. Oh, down one time, but she follow me go. Them say that juju, them say that logo. Burn up your love, we make our spirit flow. I be the chosen one, I be the chosen one. Out of a million, I be she call her one, I be the chosen.
Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you want to try out Controlla for yourself, check the link in the description. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.